What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Simple Sick Builds. Today I'm going to be installing a flagpole holder to the back of my pickup. Everything cost me about 30 bucks from Home Depot, so let's get into it. Super simple install, but if you do not like drilling holes to the back of your pickup, this video is not for you, straight up, all right? Because I'm gonna drill like 5 holes, but let's get into it. All right, you guys, this is what I'm gonna be using as my flagpole holder. It's a PVC pipe, 1.5 inch. I also bought these clamps that clamp on it, and I'll show you why I wanted these, because this install is more like a permanent install. I've seen a bunch of videos, people use zip ties, just stick it in there. No, this is like a permanent install. And I should have bought a black pipe, but I didn't want to waste money because they're like, I think they're like $5-7 bucks and I'm cheap. And this one only cost me $3 bucks. And each clamp was 65 bucks, and I bought 2. So let me show you where I'm gonna install it, and let me show you how I'm gonna install it on my truck. Your truck might be different, but if this could help someone install it on their truck, then go for it, right? So let's hop into it real quick and show you what I need to remove first before installing this. All right, so guys, pretty much what I'm gonna be doing is installing this against this. My bed liner is a Line X bed liner, so it's a spray-on bed liner. So I could pretty much just go off and screw this to the back. But to get access to the back, because I'm gonna put bolts on it, and then I'm gonna put nuts behind it so it can be a permanent install. But before I do that, I have to remove this light right here, this rear left light, because I want to get access to the back so I can hold the nut on there while I tighten it. So let me get with removing that. And if you have a Chevy Silverado, more Chevys have only 2 Phillips on the sides. I don't know if you can see it, one right there, one right there. That's all you have to do, and it pulls right back. So that's pretty much for that. So let me take it off. I'm not going to show you guys that, but if you guys want to see me taking off a rear backlight, let me know in the comments below. But super simple. Alright, you guys, once you guys remove the light, you have access to the back. By the back, I mean this stuff. You can put your hand in here to reach the bolts, I mean the nuts you're installing. So I'm actually going to get to drilling the hole now, because like I said, it's just right there. I'm putting it just right here. So as soon as that goes on, my hand reaches through there. So I'm going to drill the first hole, and hopefully it comes out good. Fingers crossed everything is good and I don't just drill a hole for no reason. But yeah, and it's hella dirty back here, but yeah. Let's try to do it quick before it gets darker. All right, guys, wish me luck. I'm about to drill into this, so yeah, just wish me luck. Alright, guys, I finished both the top ones, and I already put the nuts inside. As you can see, I actually dropped the washer in there, but that's both of them right there. So yeah, pretty much I just gotta finish doing the bottom one, and after I'm done doing the bottom one, I'm gonna show you something extra that I'm doing to it so it can be very secure. Okay, so give me a few seconds and I'll knock it down so I can show you the extra thing I did so it can be extra secure. Alright, guys, that's pretty much the finished product. So if you can see through here what I did, I pretty much, if it's focusing, let me see if I can set my phone down real quick. No, it's not gonna work, is it? No. No, yeah, no, it's not. So pretty much, guys, what I did is, let me see if you could focus in there. Did it focus? There you go, you can kind of see that. Yeah, there you go. So pretty much I put nuts inside of it, and let me get up on my truck real quick. And I did the same thing to the inside. Sorry if the angle's bad, but so remember how I told you guys it's one more piece missing to make this sturdy, because this thing, it's not going nowhere at all. So let me show you guys what I mean by one more piece to make it sturdy. Alright guys, this is the missing thing. This is a self-tap screw. So every hole on this pole has a purpose. So you guys see this hole right here on the bottom? So I'm pretty much gonna stick one of these things inside there. That way the pole that goes in won't fall all the way to the bottom. So this thing is gonna go there, and this little back of it, sorry if it can't focus. Is it focusing? This thing right here, it's gonna stop the pole from sliding all the way down. And I'll show you guys what this hole and that hole is for. Let me just drill this hole in and we're good to go. This thing is not going anywhere as it is, but just to make it super extra, I'm gonna put this in there. All right, so let me just finish that. All right guys, I finished drilling the hole in there. So that's the hole that's drilled, and there's a bolt in there, well, a self-tap screw in there. And remember how I told you that these holes right here have purposes? So I'm not gonna put one of those cheap poles that you buy like at Walmart or anything. I actually bought like a big heavy-duty steel pole, and I bought this thing right here and that. So I stuck my pole in there. So once you stick the pole through the top and you pretty much even it out, you get the idea. Lock it into place. So the flag that I'm putting on there won't go anywhere. Actually, the flagpole won't go anywhere. So I could just like leave it on there if I go somewhere. You gotta really have patience to try to steal this. It's just kind of stupid because this is a really cheap mod that you can do to any truck. You can even do it if it has an actual bed liner. You just gotta, you know, penetrate a little extra holes, if you know what I mean. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully that was helpful for somebody. I spent 30 bucks on this setup, by the way. 30 bucks, including the pole, the steel pole. I'll show you guys that right now, okay? But yeah, 30 bucks. This itself was like less than 10 bucks. But I had the self-tap screws laying around, and I also have a bunch of these laying around. Oh, now you want to turn on, you stupid light. But yeah, let me show you what I mean after you put the pole in there, okay? Alright you guys, I grabbed my flagpole. I need a new flag because I've been rocking this on my other truck. Pretty much, it's a very snug fit. Boom. So pretty much you have to twist it until you feel the other hole on the bottom. Because to be honest, I forgot. God damn it. I think one more turn. Boom. Wait, now? Okay, right there. I think right there. Let's try it. Let's see if it even goes through. Okay. Alright, there you go, guys. See? Obviously, I'm not going to face it this way because I need it to lock. So pretty much I can't find the damn hole. Where is it at? Don't let this happen to you that you can't find the hole. I'm gonna put the camera down and try to see where it's at because it's getting darker and I can't really see shit and film at the same time. So give me 1 second. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. This flagpole could go on the freeway with no problem whatsoever. And put down the light. This is not just like this is an actual, like, this thing ain't going nowhere. It's gonna wiggle, but yeah, that thing ain't going nowhere. All right, I was gonna finish because I'm gonna paint this. I'm not gonna keep it white because it looks horrible. I'm gonna like primer it so it can match the bed liner, but I guess I'll finish that tomorrow because y'all need some rolling shots of how this thing looks. Alright, hopefully I can buy another one of these locks because I can't flip it around because this has a little curve to it. But yeah, it holds perfectly. It ain't going nowhere. Sorry guys, I'm shaking the camera. But yeah, turned out great. Alright you guys, last night I installed a flagpole holder, and like I said, I wasn't finished because I went a step further and bought this. It's a self-spray bed liner, do it yourself, from Duplicolor. Sorry if I said that wrong, and sorry for the background noise, but I'm gonna spray this on and it's gonna be complete because it's just literally starting to rain right now. So let me knock it out real quick. Alright guys, I know someone's gonna give me shit the way I sprayed it because there's a shitload of overspray on it. I don't know if you guys can tell. Shitload of overspray. But to be honest, I don't care. You can't see it, it's in the truck. And I feel like once it dries, it's gonna turn into that like matte color like this is. The texture is there for damn sure, it's starting to show, but you can't really see it on camera. But yeah guys, I'm gonna get some rolling shots on the freeway so you guys can see how good this flagpole holds. Because I had this last setup on my 04 Dodge Ram 1500, and before I got rid of it, I took off the whole pole, the whole setup, and I was scared that I wasn't gonna be able to like put the nuts behind it. But it all worked out. You can't even see when I close the bed of the truck. Obviously you guys can see. Once you close it, you don't even know where the flagpole's at. So yeah guys, let's get some rolling shots of this, and I'm good to go. Alright guys, so I'm on the freeway right now. I'm going about 65 the speed limit, and I'm gonna try to show you the back real quick. And I don't know if you guys can see the flag right there, it's flying high. I'm going 65 and nothing's going on, nothing, it's not even falling. Sorry if I can't get the angle, I'm trying to drive here. But yeah, pretty much it's holding strong. Look at that. Hell yeah guys, came out perfect. And I'm going 70 now, but y'all get the idea. Alright you guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you found that helpful for someone that wants to make a flagpole holder. I wasted about 30 bucks with everything including the flag, but like I said before, that was an old setup I had on my 04 Dodge Ram 1500, but it works the same on this car. Obviously you saw how I did it, so it turned out pretty strong. And you guys see the freeway clip right there. I'm going about 65, 70. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if I could have done something different, or if there's flagpoles out there that are under 30 bucks, then let me know, because I'll put another flagpole on my car. I'm not tripping. But yeah, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.